Good morning, Samantha.
Morning.
I see you have a very protective young lady there holding your hand like she wants to try to give you some comfort.
I do.
What is your name, young lady? Alexa? And you're here today to help out your mommy? Do you want to come up here and try to help me out? All right, come on up here.
Over this way.
Okay, you can stand right here. All right, tell us a little bit about yourself. Your name is?
Alexa,
And how old are you?
8,
Where do you go to school?
Silver Spring.
And you're not in class this morning, right?
No.
Are you going to class as soon as we leave here?
No.
No?
I have an eye doctor's appointment.
Oh, okay. Well, you have a doctor's appointment, so you're going to do all of that this morning. Have you had breakfast yet?
No.
No? Oh, I'm going to call DCYF here. This is getting real serious now. Are you hungry?
A little.
We had the lady from Starbucks here. Did she leave?
In a huff.
I don't know. I may have to send Inspector Quinn out to get you something to eat. Well, we don't have anything right here right now, but after I find your mom, if she don't have any money, we have a concession stand outside. Inspector Quinn will pay for your breakfast. But if that's not the case, then we'll handle it differently, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now, when you get older and you are like an adult, what do you want to do in life?
I don't know.
You want to be a doctor? You want to be a scientist? Do you want to be
A vet.
a veterinarian? I think that's wonderful. So you like animals?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your favorite animal? Is it a cat, dog?
A dog.
Dogs? Do you have a dog?
Yeah.
What's the dog's name?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Okay, she's precious.
Isn't she?
Okay, now here's what we're going to do. You're going to stay here and you're going to watch with me. We're going to watch this TV right here because we have a better picture than they have up there, okay? And we're going to see, all right, your mom is charged. We're going through a red light on North Main Street and Branch Avenue. And this was at 10 o'clock in the morning last month. So you're going to watch it with me because I'm going to need some help.
Okay.
Okay, lights please. Okay, this is summons number 164096. All right, you tell Inspector Quinn the rest of these numbers, starting with 3.
3, 1, 9, 1, 7.
Okay, she's getting you here. She's convicting you. Okay, let's go. All right, which one was the mom's car?
It's the last vehicle, Judge, the silver one.
Let's look at it again.
Right there, that vehicle.
Light is red. Okay. And there's a gentleman there on the corner. Put the lights on, please. Okay. All right. Now, were you in the vehicle? This happened? No, you wasn't. Did you take a look at that? And what do you think I should do? Should I dismiss the case?
Yes.
Why should I dismiss it?
Because Mom was frightened by the man there.
Did you tell her to say that?
No, I
No.
did not.
Oh, so there was a man there, and if she stopped, right, he might have opened the door and asked her for money, and she was frightened. Is that what you're telling me?
Yes.
She's good.
She is good.
Well, Inspector Quinn, what do you think about that? Her daughter has made a very impassioned plea on her behalf.
Your Honor, she did a tremendous job. She had the high tones, pause when she needed for effect and everything. Absolutely wonderful job she did.
Thank you.
I saw my stuffed animal in your car.
She decorates my back windshield with all her stuffed animals, so they were present also.
Oh, so there's witnesses to the case, Judge.
Oh, there were witnesses to the case. They were in the car. Okay. Well, thank you for helping me. It was wonderful having you up here. Okay. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
All right, based on the impassioned plea of the young lady, we're going to dismiss the case. Get us some breakfast.
We're going to get donuts right now. That's what she wants. Thank you.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
The charge was speeding, sir. Have you been driving for 3 years?
No, I've not been driving in the U.S. for 3 years. No, but I've been driving in Africa before the U.S. So I just get my U.S. license like 6 months ago.
Oh, you celebrated by speeding.
No, I didn't see no speed sign on Harris Avenue, and that was the way from Harris to Providence Place, like towards Providence Place Mall. I didn't see no sign, so I thought that was like 30, the speed limits and something like that. But when the cop stopped me, he told me that the speed limit was 25. And then he gave me a ticket and told me that I was driving 35. So, but he wrote 38 on the ticket.
No, he wrote 35.
Oh, okay. I saw another 38 on the side. I don't know what it means, though.
Yeah. Now, you received a driver's license in Rhode Island, right?
Yes.
And you had to study the book, right?
Yes, I did.
Yeah. And then in that book, did you read that unless otherwise posted that the speed limit within the city limits is 25? You didn't read that chapter?
Yes.
Oh, you read that?
I read that, but
you read it.
there are some other places in
I
the...
think everyone read it, Judge.
Yeah. I read that. I read the book. That's why I
But
get
they
my
mean
license.
anything.
You know, but I was with my wife and my two babies. They're over there.
Where are
you know,
they?
So I was.
Where are they? Oh, bring them up here. Come here.
You know, I was with all of them.
Get them up here.
I was with all of them, and I didn't feel like I was speeding because I was just following the cars in front of me. But when he stopped me, I just pulled over. I didn't know why he stopped me, but he told me that I was speeding.
Yeah.
But I was not very looking at my speed when I was driving.
Yeah. Were you in the
He was in the car too.
Were you in the car with him?
Yes, I was in the passenger seat.
Oh, did you tell him to slow down?
Well, I didn't feel like we were, exceeding too much over the limit.
Not too much.
No,
just a little.
Yeah, just a little. I didn't.
No, she.
Now we found the honest one. He wasn't looking at the odometer. She felt it.
Who else was in the car?
It just the baby.
Oh, now
was in-
endangerment of a child as well.
Yeah, and he wouldn't. Well, I mean, he wouldn't go over the speed limit, excessively, knowing that the family was in the car.
I got it. All right. So he endangered your life, the mother of the child, right, and the child. Right? Is that what he did?
No, he did not
He
do
did
that.
not. Okay. And who's this little guy?
This is our other son,
What's his name?
Menelik.
Hi. Look up here.
Look at the
Say hi. Hi. All right, come up here. Bring him up here. I want to ask him a question. Over here. No, you stay there. You get back over there. I'm going to ask you two questions, okay?
Okay.
And you're going to say one or the other. Now, we're talking about your father, right? Now, you're going to say guilty or not guilty. What do you say?
Guilty.
Guilty. An honest boy. Shake hands. Good luck. Okay, you can go back. It's official. You are guilty.
No, he didn't understand. He doesn't know what he's saying.
Well, you have a wonderful family.
Thank you.
I'm going to give you credit for your good driving record back in Africa.
Thank you.
Okay? Just be careful down there.
I will.
And you have a very honest young man as well. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
so much.
All right, goodbye.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning, sir. Who's the little guy with you?
My son, Jacob. Say hi.
Hi, young man. What's your name? Jacob. Jacob? How old are you, Jacob?
5.
Come up here. See if you can help me out. Right over here. Okay. Would you mind if I sit him on my lap?
No, he's fine.
Here we go. All right, Jacob. How old are you?
5.
Okay. Do you go to school yet?
No,
Not
September.
real school.
Not really?
September. He starts
September
kindergarten in
3rd.
September.
Do you have any idea what you want to do when you get to be a little older, like when you graduate from school?
A cook.
A cook? Is that what you said, a cook?
Yeah, me and my dad work at a pizza place. Me and my dad are great cooks.
Yeah. Okay. What do you think you'd like to cook? What would be the best? What do you like the best?
Pizza?
Well, so far you're doing pretty good. All right, I'm having trouble with this case because I have a situation where your dad is charged with parking on a street up on the east side, and I have 3 choices. I can fine him $90, I can charge him $30, or I can charge him nothing. What do you think I should do?
30.
30. So you're a pretty good judge. Now, there's an old story about King Solomon, who everyone quotes, and King Solomon was all powerful, and usually he would split the difference. You know, he'd pick a middle road, and that's exactly what you did, and that's a very logical way to think. Is there anything better than 30, you think?
None.
None? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Have you had breakfast yet?
No.
No. Well, suppose I make a deal with your dad, okay? And the deal is that if he'll take you out for breakfast, then I'll dismiss the ticket. What do you think about that? You like that? Now, I want you to order up a pretty good, I want you to order a lot of stuff because he's going to be saving $30. Is that a good deal?
Yeah, just a little bacon.
Okay. All right, thanks for helping me out.